Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Join me as I dive into the world of Kundalini Awakening and discover if its effects really last forever. Kundalini Awakening is a profound spiritual phenomenon that has gained significant attention in recent years. It's often referred to as a transformative experience that can alter one's consciousness, perception, and entire being. In many spiritual practices, Kundalini Awakening is considered a milestone on the path to enlightenment, and it's often associated with feelings of intense energy, spiritual awareness, and profound insights. Many people believe that once they've experienced Kundalini Awakening, they'll never go back to their old selves. They think that this awakening is a permanent state, and that they'll forever be connected to the divine energy that courses through their being. But is this really the case? Does Kundalini Awakening last forever? Or is it just a fleeting experience that can fade away over time? This misconception can be really confusing for spiritual practitioners. They might feel like they've finally reached a higher level of consciousness, only to find themselves struggling to maintain that state. They might wonder if they've done something wrong, or if they're just not spiritual enough. They might even feel like they're back to square one, and that all their hard work and spiritual efforts were for nothing. But the truth is that Kundalini Awakening is just one step on the spiritual journey. It's not a destination, it's a journey, and it requires continuous effort and practice to maintain that state of awareness. Many people find that after the initial awakening, they start to slide back into their old patterns and habits. They might feel like they're losing their connection to the divine, or that they're no longer experiencing the profound insights and feelings of bliss that they once had. Kundalini Awakening is not a one-time event. It's a process that requires dedication, discipline, and patience. It's a journey that takes us through different stages, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities for growth. The duration of the awakening depends on various factors, including our personal growth, spiritual practices, and lifestyle choices. For some people, the awakening might last for weeks, months, or even years. For others, it might be a fleeting experience that fades away quickly. The key to maintaining the awakening is to understand that it's not just about the experience itself, but about the lessons we learn from it. Kundalini Awakening is not just a feel-good experience. It's a call to action, a reminder to integrate the insights and awareness we've gained into our daily lives. It's about embodying the teachings, not just intellectually understanding them. When we focus on the process, not just the outcome, we can experience lasting changes in our perception and consciousness. While the awakening itself might not last forever, its effects can lead to profound and lasting changes in our lives. We might experience a greater sense of inner peace, compassion, and wisdom. We might find that we're more intuitive, more creative, and more connected to the world around us. The awakening might not be a permanent state, but its impact can be felt for years to come. So to answer the question, does Kundalini Awakening last forever? The answer is no, but its effects can be truly transformative and long-lasting. Remember, the goal of spiritual practices isn't to experience a fleeting high, but to integrate the insights and awareness we've gained into our daily lives. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of Kundalini Awakening. If you've had a similar experience, please share your story in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about spiritual practices that can help you maintain awareness, check out my other videos on that topic. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.